released alongside LG's truly impressive 2018 OLED TV lineup, it'd be easy to overlook the company's new Super UHD sister range. But while these LED models may lack their bigger siblings' more expensive organic light-emitting diodes, they still exhibit many of the same futuristic features. Backed by LG's Think Artificial Intelligence (AI) technology, the LG SK85 Super UHD TV feels cutting-edge in its implementation of AI, making it one of the smartest smart TVs we've tested. Combined with the television's built-in Google Assistant functionality, the Think platform helps to streamline the TV viewing experience, performing such tasks as switching picture modes on its own, or providing you with an expanded range of voice commands. That's all very impressive, but when it comes down to it, picture and sound quality remain the most important aspects to consider when purchasing a new 4K television. Thankfully, the inclusion of full-array local dimming, nano-cell technology and support for HDR10, Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos means that LG's 2018 Super UHD range is ready to deliver the goods in the audio-visual department. For the purposes of this review, we were able to test the 65-inch SK85, but there's also a more affordable 55-inch model available. The 65-inch model, known as the 65 SK9000 UI in the US, is priced at $2,199, £2,499, $4,799 while the 55-inch model, known as the 55 SK9000 UI in the US, is priced at $1,499, £1,699, $3,099. From front on, the LG SK85 Super UHD presents a striking, minimalist visage that, at first glance, seems to eschew bezels entirely from its design. They're there, but you'll need to squint to see them. While switched off, all that's visible is a sleek black rectangle with an austere metal stand, and it's a design whose appearance is even more restrained when the SK85 is wall-mounted. In profile, you may notice that the LG SK85 isn't quite as slim some other LED LCD televisions on the market, and at its thickest point, it's 62.5 mm. There's a good reason for that though. The extra width is there to accommodate the SK85's full-array local dimming (FALD) system, which employs hundreds of tiny backlights across the entire panel, rather than the edge-lit backlighting systems that many other TVs implement. This FALD system allows the SK85 to be much more precise with its backlighting, making it possible to light small individual sections of the panel while minimizing backlight bleed. We'll look a bit deeper into this technology in the performance section below. On the rear of the television, you'll find a nifty brushed metal finish, plus 4 HDMI ports, 3 USB 2.0 ports, composite inputs, a digital optical audio output, a 3.5 mm headphone jack, an Ethernet port and an RF antenna port. Like the front, the LG SK85's rear is quite Spartan, which helps to keep the back of the set neat, if not quite to the extent of Samsung's Q9F QLED television, which displays only a single all-purpose cable from its chassis. The LG SK85 Super UHD bears a minimalist design that exudes sophistication. Its slim bezels and sturdy one-piece metal stand go to great lengths to keep things simple in your living room. It's not the thinnest TV around, but the inclusion of full-array local dimming backlighting at least puts that extra thickness to good use.